शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. Can you please explain the purpose of giving the mantras of various deity like Sri Vidya Sampat Ganapati, Lakshmi Dakshinamurti along with the Bija Mantratmaka Sri Suktam Sadhana? Can you please explain their respective significance? As you see, what I have explained in the mantras, it's very clear. The name itself of that mantra, what I have explained, the meaning of the mantra, the significance is already given there. For example, when you chant Sri Sampat Siddhi mantra, I have explained, the Moola mantra, each Bijakshara, and where it is very clearly said, Sri Vidya Sampat Siddhi. So it will give Sampat Siddhi. How it will give? By what is the Lord Ganesha does? He removes the obstacles so that are specially related to abundance, prosperity. Okay, whether the past life karmas related, whether it's a Pitru dosha, whether it is a Kuladevata dosha, whatever it is a Lord Ganesha removes the karmas related to experience the wealth in your life. So that is the Sri Vidya Sampat Ganapati mantra. The next one will go like this, explain Lakshmi Dakshinamurti mantra. See, when you want to manifest any consciousness, you need to understand the universal law. You need to understand the tattva, the principle behind that, the Lakshmi tattva behind that. For that, you need to have a grace of a master, Guru tattva, the awareness need to be manifested in you, then all the knowledge will come to you. So Lakshmi Dakshinamurti, the grace of Guru to bring the Lakshmi Tattva, the abundance Tattva, wealth consciousness is needed for you. So when you chant, necessary principle you understand, the universal laws you understand. When you chant Ganapati, you remove the obstacles that is related to that. Like this, all these mantras are connected one to each other. Nothing is missing there. Nothing, single vibration is missing. Okay, then you go for Swarna Akarshan Bhairava. The Swarna is a gold. Of course, it's in a material word, it's a physical gold. In your inner word, what is that is gold? Your soul. So, Swarna Akarshan Bhairava empowers your soul. Manifest that gold within you, the abundance tattva in you, that self-power that can generate everything. You see, the outside, the sun is there. That golden light coming from the sun that looks like a pure white light, that power is in the Swarnakarshana Bhairava. So inner abundance attracts the outside abundance. Inner gold abundance, wealth attracts the outside gold. So this Swarnakarshana Bhairava empowers your soul. And it's very powerful mantra, I'm telling you, very, very powerful mantra, nullifies all sun-related doshas and all. Ganapati removes all the Ketu and others. So like this, these mantras have a very deeper secrets, where every mantra has a different applications. And here they are organized in such a beautiful way, where all the karmic patterns that are hindering you to experience the wealth, all the obstacles that are hindering you to experience the wealth, and all the knowledge that is hindering to experience wealth, all that will come to you. Then Kubera, okay, when you chant the Kubera mantra with his special Bijakshara, the astral connection to this treasure, to these yakshas made it. So you start receiving the gate of the treasure, the abundance, money flow, or that whatever that is needed to experience the richness on this earth, from the grace of Kubera you will be receiving. Then you go with a Divine Mother Lakshmi as a Bhuneshwari Kamala mantra. It will be very powerful. Seeds mantras are there that contain Sreem, Hreem, others, and they will bring attract that wealth, manifest them in a physical level. Okay, and those 15 shlokas are converted into Bijakshara. They are nothing but 15 forms of Lakshmis. How we have a Ashta Lakshmi, every form of a Lakshmi gives one aspect, one material and spiritual blessing you will be receiving. Like this, all Lakshmi Tattva help you to experience abundance, help you to experience abundance. So the way you have asked, actually I have to go through the complete, but if you understand the meaning of the mantra and do the sadhana, it is sufficient. As you progress, every secret of the mantra will be revealed in your soul as you progress into that sadhana. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.